You need to, we are all human beings. Even if somebody has all kinds of money, all kinds of accolades, all kinds of prizes, you're not less than them. Yes, they're good at what they're doing, but that doesn't mean you're not good enough, and that doesn't mean they're better than you. And so you have to remember your value. You have the same value as them, just because you and them are human beings. For some reason, you always think that you are less than other people. For some reason, when some women show up, you feel like, ooh, I don't measure up to her. Sometimes people are just talking around you and you just want to hide because it feels like you're not supposed to be here and you're not at the right place. So if that's the case for you and you want to discover and you're tired of living this way, you want to get out of this, keep watching. Hi, my name is Amina. I'm a life coach and I'm here to give you some tips, offer you another perspective, and answer some questions you might have. So if you have questions or video suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like what I do here, please subscribe, like, and share, and help me spread the word. So today I want to talk about how to stand tall and be proud of yourself. And so I have, as usual, some points that I want to share with you. And please let me know in the comment section below if anything resonates with you and if you actually agree or disagree with some of the points. Okay, number one is remember your value and accomplishments. And so if you tend to want to hide because you know a woman or somebody, not even just a woman, if you know somebody that is really good at what they do, they seem to be very confident. Actually, that's what I really want to emphasize. They look very confident. It feels like if you go on a debate with that person, they're just gonna burn you, and you feel like, oh yeah, we'll have no arguments. That person is too confident. They know what they're doing, whatever, blah blah blah. And so if you tend to want to hide, you need to start valuing yourself and remember your accomplishments. Because even if that person is very confident, they have all the, they have all the titles, everybody's always talking good about them. It's not about hating on them, that's not what I'm talking about, but it's not feeling like you're below them. You need to, we are all human beings. Even if somebody has all kinds of money, all kinds of accolades, all kinds of prizes, you're not less than them. Yes, they're good at what they're doing, but that doesn't mean you're not good enough, and that doesn't mean they're better than you. And so you have to remember your value. You have the same value as them, just because you and them are human beings. And something that can help you with that as well is to list all your accomplishment on one paper. And every time you start to doubt yourself and you feel like, oh, that person has done so many things, me, I haven't done anything, just go back to your list and check what you have done. Because if you're standing here today and you have a certain age, that means you have done a few things. And if you realize that, oh, I haven't done anything, or I haven't done anything major, it's time to start. You just need to build the confidence muscle in you and start trying things. Because it's not just about, oh, I'm confident, I know how to do everything, blah blah blah. No, it's not about that. That person that talks a lot and that looks very confident, believe me, at some point they started at square one, and then they just kept working and working and working and practicing and doing their things, and now here they are. So just do the same thing. If you feel like I haven't done anything major and you feel less than that person, maybe that's a clue that, you know what, maybe I want to do something similar to that person. So you could even go and ask them, oh, can you give me some tips? Can you give me some advice on how to get there? Can you help me? Just go and check. So if you have accomplished a few things, check your list. And if you feel like, oh, I haven't done enough, don't think that you're not enough because you haven't done enough. But be very confident in your value as a human being, and then start working on something that is important for you. Practice, ask yourself questions, dig, and check what you want to do. Do your best. Go get the training. Go do what is necessary. And if things works, great. If things work, great. And if they don't work, just keep trying something else. But don't be like, oh, I'm giving up. It's not gonna work. No, you have to start, because you cannot say I failed if you haven't tried anything. So just start something, keep at it, keep going. And if you still want to do it, go get the training, go learn from somebody that has done this, and keep moving forward. Don't give up just because you feel like, oh no, I'm not enough, I cannot do this. Okay, point number 2 is stop hiding and come to the front. So I kind of touched on that point already. So you need to stop hiding. Even if somebody looks very confident and you feel like, no, I cannot measure up, I cannot debate with them, whatever, don't hide. Go and do the work. Go look for what you're missing. I remember a speech of Mr. Les Brown, and he was saying that he started to work as, I don't remember the title, but it was something about the city and politics, something. And so at some point they had to debate, and they had to defend something, a law that they wanted to be passed on or something. And so he came, and then he gave his arguments, and the person that was on the other side beat him. And he was like, oh my God, this guy he knows his subject. But knowing Les Brown, he didn't give up. He just went and trained himself, learned the subject, and did all the research that he needed. Go take the training and practice. And over time, he became really, really good. And even at some point, he was able to debate with that guy and beat him. And so, yeah, just do your work. Just do what is necessary to stand up and build your confidence. Don't stay hidden on the little corner. It's not gonna help. Get up, go build your confidence, because it also comes with experience and all the things you can accomplish. You can check your list of accomplishments that I was talking about on the previous point, and you can also build another list of accomplishments. If you have something you desire in your heart and you're like, I want to do this, don't give up. Start small, like Marie Forleo says. You start on a small scale, and then you build your way up. Just be patient, go little by little, and at some point you're gonna get there if you don't give up and if you are still interested in this goal. Point number 3 is work and find. Point number 3 is find and work on your purpose. So, like I was saying, you need to work on something and build your list of accomplishments. So, don't just go and do random stuff either. Don't go and do random stuff. Do your research and look in your heart. Work on identifying what is your purpose, what is something you really want to do, something that is really important to your heart. Maybe it's just finding a job. I want to work in marketing. I want to be the assistant of the executive of this company. Whatever this purpose can be, as long as it's important to you, we don't care about the rest. We're not here to tell you, oh, this is not good enough, or oh, this is way too ambitious. No, you decide on what you want, and then you work your way to get there. But you're the one who's gonna do the digging and looking for that purpose. Don't hesitate to ask people around. Sometimes your purpose is just your strength, your natural strength, something you're already doing well. So ask people around you if they can give you some clues of things that you're very good at naturally. Maybe you at your current job, you're already doing something that has nothing to do with the work that you can do on the side. Pay attention when you watch TV. If you watch TV, if you watch a show, if you listen to a podcast, pay attention to something that resonates with you. You have to be Sherlock Holmes. You need to find what makes you feel alive, what resonates with you, and what could be a purpose for your life. So do the digging, look for that purpose, and once you feel like you have found it, now do the work. And like I was saying in the previous point. So before we get to the next point, I wanted to let you know that I have a one-on-one coaching service. So if you are interested in working with me, you can reach out using the link in the description box, and we can see how we make things happen. I also have a blog, and so I talk about the same kind of subjects. So if you like what I'm talking about here, you can give it a try, and also if you like to read. Thanks in advance. So my next point is point number 4: get support from your loved ones. And so if you feel like, oh, I'm not very confident in myself, I'm not very proud of myself, you can ask your loved ones. You can ask for their opinion. I was saying like what you're good at, but in this case it will be like you're asking for support, for encouragement. So you can come to somebody and say, of course they have to be healthy people who love you and who want to support you. And so you can come to your friends or your parents or your siblings, and you tell them how you feel, and they can tell you, oh, you shouldn't, because you remember you did that, or you're good at this, so I don't understand why you're not very confident. And so it's not a magic bullet, but at least every time you're gonna start doubting yourself, you're gonna remember their voice in the back of your head, and so that will stop the habit of going on the road of beating yourself down all the time, beating yourself up all the time. And so yes, build, you have your list of accomplishments, but also ask people to reassure you and to cheer you up and to be there to support you when you don't believe in yourself. And my last point is reward yourself, give and help others. And so every time you do something that is very amazing, even if it's not that amazing in your opinion, reward yourself, because before that thing wasn't done, now it is. So cheer yourself up for that. Buy yourself a little gift, go celebrate with other people. And also just to go back to the stand tall and be proud of yourself. Celebrating is a way of acknowledging that you have done something good, and it encourages your brain to do more of that. And so because you're encouraging your brain, you're gonna reward yourself more, and then you're gonna have more motivation to do better things, and so on and so forth, and just keep going at it. Just keep doing the same thing, and so you're going to see that the cycle works in your favor. Every time you do something great, reward yourself. And now, once you get to the next level, don't forget to help the community. If it's helping other people, if it's giving to other people, share what you have received. And so you're going to be encouraged to continue to do good job when you reward yourself, but also when you help others, when you give to others. There is a feeling that, I don't know how to explain that, but when you help other people, it's like magic. It's like, I don't know, you feel really great about yourself, but you're not giving to other people or helping just because you want to feel good, but because that's the right thing to do. So if you can help and cheer yourself up, cheer other people up, and help people in difficulty. So share the blessings. This is what I want to this is what I mean. Okay, so as a recap, how to stand tall and be proud of yourself. So remember your value and accomplishment, number 1. Number 2, stop hiding and come to the front. Number 3, find and work on your purpose. Number 4, get support from your loved ones. And number 5, reward yourself and also give and help others. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like what I do here. And if you have questions or video suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. My question for you today is, what is your inner dialogue? What is your inner dialogue when you're tempted to hide? So what do you tell yourself when you want to run away and just hide? So what is the narrative? Okay, so that's it for today. I hope this video helps. In the meantime, I wish you a good week, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching, and bye.